professor, physician, epidemiologist. I am Dr. Sri Banerjee.
Hello, I am Dr. Sri Banerjee, core faculty for the College of Health Sciences and Public Policy at Walden University. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you a little bit about how the All of Us research program works. Now, as I was searching through the internet, I found this nice dashboard which has the opportunity, which gives you the opportunity to actively participate in opportunities and various types of research. So let's take a look at what all is available within this dashboard. So for starters, you have program opportunities at the top, and you can complete a primary consent form. So here you select continue, and then you can provide some information for the ethnicity that you belong to. And then you can select next. You can select yes or no. So I selected no. And then you can continue to fill out this form. And what is really neat about this is that it's a dashboard which you have the opportunity to not only participate in various types of research studies, but also incorporate Fitbit information. So you can actually have Internet of Things, certain devices that you have, are part of, and you can have a lot of this information feed into the system in real time. So a lot of this is still locked, so I'm really not able to go over a lot of this, but I encourage you to systematically go through various parts of this and complete the various categories. So there's overall health, then there's lifestyle, then there is a category on social determinants of health, healthcare access and utilization, and then finally personal and family health history. So again, when you get a chance, go through this, take part in this unique opportunity to participate in a grassroots sort of research effort. Thank you for listening.